We are currently in Seoul, South Korea. It is, well, I guess it's July 2nd, but we left on July 1st. We went to Atlanta and then 4-hour layover there. Then we came to Seoul on a 14-hour plane ride.
Wow. What else is great about this flight, guys?
First of all, they have high quality slippers, earbuds, and then an eye mask.
Vince, you got us covered, right?
Yeah.
You know the safety procedure if we go down.
I have this memorized.
If you look out here, we have a great view. We have a nice sized window. Oh, also check out this screen. Let me put my face beside it. Look at the size. Hey Timmy, what you wearing on your head?
Nice shade, bro.
Do you like it? You tested it out? Oh.
I love it.
Wow. Best dessert on a plane ever.
And now everyone is exhausted while we wait 7 hours to head to Malaysia. It's called the nap zone, and so I'll have a montage of everyone on the trip sleeping.
Tim, what'd you get there?
I got some durian fruit.
Oh, let me zoom in on that one time. Oh,
Okay.
I wish you could smell this.
That smells a lot grosser.
Yeah?
Not bad.
Not bad. I don't know if it's possible physiologically, but my mouth is crying. It's hot. It is hot on my hand.
Okay.
1 kilo. Yep. That's about what it tastes like.